can put her over at the x-ray table and just start setting up over there. And now I can finally get a good look in that stinky mouth.
Can you imagine trying to do this while she was away?
No.
That breath. My girl. Ooh, that smells so bad.
That smells like rotten sinus to me.
She's got some rotten teeth.
The smell is fitting the picture. I can see that a couple of her molars in the back are really brown and red around the base of them. Probably a little bit of a sinus infection from that. So that is definitely something that would cause a cough. So we found one issue, but we need to check in on all the rest of her organs. Her heart looks okay. So it does not look to be anything in her lungs specifically that's causing the cough. Looking at the x-rays, I do not see signs of feline asthma, which is one very common cause of a cough. No sign of pneumonia or other things in her chest. We don't see any big masses or anything like that. So that's all really good news.
I do feel like she's waking up.
She is, yeah. So basically ruling each thing out, we're gonna give her some antibiotics for her teeth and what looks to be a sinus infection. I suspect that irritation is causing a little bit of a cough.
Hi, kitty. You wanna go see your mom? What did you tell her about your yucky teeth, huh?
All right. And then we're gonna try to get Minx off to get a dental done. Here she is.
Hi, Minxie. How are you doing, kiddo?
She's doing okay. She's still a little groggy, but she did really good with her anesthesia. The good news is I didn't see any sign of like asthma or pneumonia or any masses in her lungs.
Okay.
So she definitely needs a dental, and that needs to be done probably in the next couple months. For the what looks to be like an infection, at least kind of like in her nose and in her teeth, we're gonna give you some antibiotics to give her, okay. To start treating that.
I feel good about her diagnosis because it wasn't as bad as I feared, and she looks okay.
She was definitely not letting us do much of anything.
No, she wasn't. I knew that was going to happen. I'm happy to have her back with me, and she looks like she's not upset terribly with me, but I'll see that when I get home.
Well, thank you very much, ma'am, for bringing her in.
Thank you.